In this video, I am going to talk about one of the best handwritten note-taking application if by any means you want to write in your Mac. And before actually I start, let me also talk about the device that I use. So the device here, what you can see is XP Pen. Of course, I also use my iPad Pro, the pencil, to write on my iPad. But this particular device, if you want to know more about it, I have created a dedicated video around it, how one can use this pen tab to write on Mac. But before we start, I just wanted to reveal the device that I'm going to use. And generally these devices are much affordable, much cheaper. You can find them around $100 or 10,000 rupees INR if you are watching it from India. And these are very reliable and gonna give you even better feeling of writing compared to even iPad pencil for comparison. And it also comes with some additional buttons and then this zoom in and out, which was kind of deciding factor for me to go for this particular pen tab. And then since the review is not about pen tab, but still if you want to know more about it, I will be providing a dedicated video that I have created around this in my another channel. Alright, so now we are back to our macOS screen. So the app today I'm gonna talk about is GoodNotes. You can easily download it from your Apple Store as well. For that, simply visit App Store. And then here you should be able to find GoodNotes. And then here all you need to do is you need to click on Get, and that's how you install it. But let me also take you to its dedicated website so that I can give you a little bit more overview of it. So let me quickly open browser here and type GoodNotes, and there you go. The best thing about GoodNotes is, first of all, of course, the writing experience, and on the top of it, it is one of the most featureful app. Plus it is cross-platform supported, which means that you can access your notes in different devices. For instance, you made something on your Macintosh and then you want to see the same in Windows. GoodNotes is also available for Windows. Plus, of course, iPad, iPhone, and even Android. So it really can be a one-stop handwriting solution. Now, let me quickly show you the different plan that GoodNote come up with. So GoodNote comes with all these different plan, and I definitely differ from GoodNote's recommendation, which is this essential plan. I would recommend you to start with free plan, and then if you are serious about it, if you think that it is really adding the value that you are looking for, which you are not getting in, for example, Apple Notes, then there you go. And then here, as you go for this essential one, here you're gonna get unlimited file and even AI capability. But if you are the one who do not like to pay every year, they can go for this special edition where we need to make one-time purchase, and then the software is always with you forever. Now let me close it. Now let me start GoodNotes, and here you can see it is a free tier, as I was mentioning. Let's try it first before purchasing, you know. And now here, let me click on new notebook. I may not able to create because I already have created 3 notebooks. That's perfectly fine. So let me actually open the existing one. And then here, you know, this is how I have taken some certain notes here. Here you can see the pages that you have created. And of course, you can use AI to chat with it. So I'm gonna click on share chat history and enable. Now what it will do is it will read my entire document, and then, you know, I can ask question, and then it will give me answer based on the document. So this document is all about project management. So let me ask here, what do you mean by sprint? I don't know if I have mentioned here. I can see it written here. Let's see if it can answer. Alright, so it says sprint is a key activity within agile development, and then it also refers to the document where I have mentioned. So here I have mentioned about sprint, and then maybe there could be another page where I have mentioned about it. And it also kind of generate diagram. That's even better. And for that, let's click on go, and I'm very excited to see this. And there you go. Finally, we have got this generated, and let me copy this and I can paste it here for the time being. And then here I can see the flow diagram of it, which to me, I need to really go through it. But I just wanted to give you a gist of, you know, what GoodNotes is capable of. And then of course, as you can see here, I have taken a lot of handwritten note. And really you can see this is one such example where I have used GoodNote to take handwritten notes. So let me actually go back here to the home page, and here I will be opening a new document where there is nothing. And now I'm just zooming it in, and then you may see a very similar kind of interface if you are using it in iPad as well. Now writing on it is, I would say, a breeze or one of the best writing experience. There are certain other apps available for Apple that are, I would say, neck on neck with GoodNotes, but we're going to cover them on another day. So here I'm gonna say welcome to the Mac Essential. I know my handwriting is terrible. I don't know why I'm still writing it, but I just wanted to show you the capability of it. So I would say it is very accurate, very responsive, and you're going to get almost pen and paper like feel. Again, it also depends on the kind of pen tab you are using. If you want to buy the same one that I'm using, then I'm gonna put the link of that pen tab in the description of this video. So additional to pen, which of course are of three types, which is fountain, ball pen, and brush. We have got pencil, we have got highlighter, we have got tape to, hide something, and then we also have got this dedicated shape mode that will automatically detect that you are trying to form analytical shape and then will convert them into a perfect rectangle, circle, or triangle. Then we have got here different thickness which you can easily change. Of course, you're gonna have further refinement, and then you also have got more settings like pressure sensitivity on all. You can also type text here, and then you also have option to draw these shapes, which is again a really nice step. And then you have got this laser pointer which doesn't do anything, and then you can also record documents and then can create summary of it that you can utilize. And this is especially useful when, let's say, if you're a student and then you are listening to a lecture, you can record that lecture and can summarize. So it is that potent. And then apart from that, you're gonna see all different kind of bells and whistle, including option to back up these documents, which we saw in starting. So that was a quick overview of GoodNotes for Macintosh. So if you want me to make a dedicated video on it, then please do let me know in comment down below. And let's also wrap up this video on how one can download and install one of the best handwritten note-taking application for Macintosh. If you are new to this channel, I would consider you to subscribe, as our aim here is to help you to elevate your macOS experience. Let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.